And so I finished putting on the stems, and I just placed that on there. It's not actually connected. So all I need to do is crochet these into the stem that have the strawberries on there. I do have my thing set up. Let me show you that. Okay, so don't mind the clutter that I have over here. I just wanted to be able to show you while I have my hands free. So what I'm going to do is, this is my other plant hanger, so the leaves are going to be different. I do want to be able to hang the strawberries on there, just giving you a visual. On the same, what is this? On the same strand, I want to be able to put these leaves on there. On the vines that don't have strawberries on them, I'm just going to have at least 2 hooks on there. I think this is 10 strands. I don't know if I should do more. 7, 8. Okay, never mind. These are 8 strands. I can't count. That's that. I ended up getting, and I had returned this before, I ended up getting Estaco velvet yarn in black 3-packs and in white 3-packs. I still have yet to actually open it up and try it out. Yeah, that's pretty much the update that I have right now. This was made with Naughty Ball yarn, and it feels exactly the same as Posh. I do really like it. I'm glad that I went with it. I wish that I knew before. I just wanted to test it out, but I wish I would have known before so I can actually order more. I'll see how much I can get done tomorrow. I may take a break so then I can actually do some classes so that I can get that finished up for the week, and then focus more on Sunday or continue on Monday because my son goes to school on Monday.
Is that a seal up ahead? That's a buoy from last year.
That's a really old buoy. Yeah. Not milky yet.
Could be a week. I don't usually do it in March anyway. Gosh, this is
That's where we were last year. Oh. Oh, right there. Yeah. Look at him. Oh. Oh, right there.
Yeah. Damn, that thing is huge.
Yeah.
Can you put this over there for a second?
Okay.
I gotta grab that. Just keep that on the boats there, don't throw it over.
Yeah.
Get this
43.
And I'm going to move back over here. Just run it. Let's see.
45. I'm gonna set a branch here. Try to get some eggs.
Boil it up. No, don't go anywhere less than 15, but because there's some rock out here. See that?
Mm-hmm.
You can have the back of that. I'm going to wind up getting one cast out. And you've got to hold it like this. Okay, I want to get Johnny. What's it still 15?
24. A couple.
Put the bucket down there. Open it up. See, this is how I open it up. I pull the top up. Oh, they're a big herring anyway. Alright, man, those are like big trout. Right. You know, they're huge. Want them in a bucket?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You want your gloves?
Huh?
Do you need gloves?
I guess I could take them out. I used to just pick the net up and they all fall out. Except it's not so big. Let's go like this. Oh, you're a little leg.
Mm-hmm. Look what I got. So I finally got it. I ordered this earlier this month, but I shouldn't be complaining because I ended up getting free shipping because of how much I ordered. I ended up cutting the sleeve to one of the yarns. Hopefully I didn't damage the yarn. But no, I ended up cutting one of the sleeves to the yarn. Great. Where am I gonna pile them at? I guess over here? Is this the right? Okay, Parfait Chunky. I'm gonna try this. I haven't tried any Premier yarns. So, what did I say? Hibiscus? I'm gonna go through this fast because there's a lot of yarn in here and I don't wanna take too long. Dusty Mauve, Azure, Sunshine, White, Cream, Black, Maltine. This is Toasted Marshmallow. Really pretty colors. It does remind me, and I think I got, did I only get 2? Okay, so 2. I got 3. Surf, 2. Ooh, I see. Okay. I don't want to take them out. Anemone. Pastel. I got 4 pastel. And then I saw that they had like 3 bags of plush yarn. So this is 56 yards each, and the color, I'm looking cotton candy. This is my favorite flower, Plumeria. Blueberry. Okay. Sunset. Baby pinks. So those are the plush yarns. That is all the yarn that I got. And we'll see you next time. So another order came in and I had to show you. I thought it was really cute because I ended up getting coffee bean beads. So she ended up putting it in this little packaging. Isn't that cute? I really thought it was cute. I haven't opened it because I thought I would share it with you first. I got this off of Etsy. It's 25 plus bead or pieces, but yeah, they're all glass beads with matte finish. It's from Skinner Studio, and she's on Etsy. So okay, let's open this up. Open her up. I don't want to ruin the sticker because I really love this packaging. This packaging actually reminds me of what, you know, those toasted almonds. Okay, so it's another packaging. It doesn't want any of them to break. Man, they look so cool. Can you hear my son in the background? I'm just going to pull a couple out. So what I'm going to do is make a coffee gnome and then put these beads, like sew these beads onto the hat. Now that I am all finished with the strawberry plant hanger, it's time to spin the wheel and see what we come up with next. I did add a few more things to my list. Let's see what we get. And a unicorn it is. Let's do it. But first, let's go for a walk because it's beautiful outside. Don't make it in the water. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sit down further. Where's the ball? He's gonna even want to do so. Where's the ball? Boy, boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Okay, come. And so I want to be able to get this video out today. I'll show you my work in progress for the unicorn, and I'm sorry if it's not a whole lot of crocheting done. We just had a full week today, like going to check the herring for the last couple days. Yesterday was really nice, so ended up taking advantage of that. Today is nice too, so I kind of want to wrap this up and be able to spend the time outside. I'm not sure if it's going to be like this tomorrow. If I check the weather right now, it's not going to be the same as it's going to be tomorrow. So anyway, so I want to show you my work in progress. So I wanted to show you real quickly who I follow on YouTube for the unicorn pattern. Free YouTube tutorial. If you don't quite understand the YouTube tutorial, she does have it on Etsy. I did makeshift some things because I wasn't quite getting what she was saying, like, you know, kind of like the ears. I wanted to do them my own way because when I followed hers, it ended up being too small. And then I also kind of made shift the unicorn horn because I have made an ice cream cone where it looks like a swirl, because if you remember in my first video, I actually had mentioned that I wanted to make a gnome for our local ice cream truck. I do have the head done. I just need to do the legs and the body and also the hair. This is the unicorn so far. I think he's cute. So the ears were about this short if I followed the tutorial on YouTube, which I may not have understood her, but she, it was just really short to me. I embroidered the eyes. She used safety eyes. I did the nose and the head the same. The unicorn horn is what I did like a swirl. Yeah, it's really hard to explain unless if you have done like an offset, like you're chaining back and forth, right? You chain one way, you single crochet the other. But when you turn, you're actually offsetting it a little bit. So you're decreasing and then you do the rest, but you add an increase at the end. So it's kind of like in a diagonal, but yeah, so that's how you're able to get the swirl. But I just wanted it to be more realistic, or else it would probably look like some of my gnome hats. So I didn't stuff it. Thinking for the body, I'm thinking of doing pellets for the body. I'm not sure yet. I really want the body to be a little hefty just because of how the head sits. Like, look how the head sits. I'm pretty sure the whole stuffed animal would probably fall forward. So I'm thinking of adding pellets or maybe some weights to the body. And that's that. I did do embroidered eyes like I did for the turtles in my other video. And instead of doing the white, I did 2 of the blue accent color. First unicorn made. I think it's turning out pretty good. A lot of makeshift areas. So it's taking me a little bit. That'll be it. If I do finish this today, I will pop in a picture, but if not, this will be a premiere. So yeah, we will see you next time.